International law is an independent system of law that exists outside the legal orders of particular states. International laws different from domestic legal system in a number of respects. United Nations General Assembly consists of representatives of around 190 countries. Although it has an outward appearance of a legislature, but it has no power to issue binding law. The resolution passed by UN General Assembly serve merely as recommendations aspect in certain cases, such as to determine UN budget while admitting new member of the UN and electing new judges to the International Court of Justice along with the Security Council. International court system does not have absolute jurisdictions in international law. In continuous cases, the ICG's jurisdictions requires the consent of the particular state that are involved. Also, there is no international police force or system of law enforcement, and there is no supreme executive authority. The UN Security Council may authorize the use of force in specific cases to compel state to comply with its decisions only where there is a prior act or threat of aggression. Any such enforcement action can be